Today I want to talk about borax bath. Borax bath is not an ordinary bath. It is a detox bath and it should be taken with caution. So if you have any cardiovascular disease, please consult your doctor. And you should be well hydrated before. So it means during the day you should be hydrated. You can't be thirsty and have 1 glass of water right before. That's not good enough. It has to be circulating already in your body. So have water throughout the day and have lemon water before and during the bath. So you can have the bath once a week or every now and then, but don't do it every day. You can't do this every day. So what you need is half cup of bentonite clay or Aztec clay, whatever you have. And you need half cup of Epsom salt. And you need a 1/4 cup of borax. This is the one I use, 20 mule team borax. And you need half or 1 cup of baking soda. So that's easy, cheap solution. And for the bentonite clay, you should never use any metal object. Use wooden spoon and use a glass or ceramic cup to mix. So put the clay in the cup and mix it with water and pour it back after you stirred it with a wooden spoon. Mix it back into your bath water, and then rinse everything because it's gonna stain. So that's the way to use, and also make sure that the bath is not too hot. And if you get dizzy or unwell anytime, just get out and rest. But it should be hot enough to sweat, to release toxins. So while you're drinking the lemon water, it will also help to flush out these toxins and open up the pores, aid digestion, so that's really good. You can also put the clay on your face as a mask, but make sure it's dried before you wash it off. So that's easy. And remove any metal jewelry, because you can't have any metal jewelry during this process. And make sure that you just stay hydrated during this process. So keep on sipping the water and maybe read a book, maybe put on some essential oils. You can put peppermint, eucalyptus, lavender, frankincense. So any essential oil is good. And other people use this bath in a slightly different version. So there are all sorts of versions, but this is the one I recommend. And there are people who swears by it. Somebody's doing it since 17 years and they say they never get sick. So I like that. I like that a lot. And this is just a simple, nice solution to detox your body. And one more thing, during the process, you might feel itchiness, but that's normal. When your body is releasing the toxins, you can have more, it can build up. So that's totally normal, and don't be scared of that. And it can also obviously kill parasites. So we don't know where they're gonna come out, on your feet or whatever. So you can see parasites, little parasites maybe floating in the water. So have a look at there after this bath. And there is another way to do a bath. It's called fulvic acid bath. That's another great way to do, and I will also talk about that in another episode. See you in the next one.